On.
All right, you guys know how a juicer works, right? Right, you put fruits and vegetables in the top, grinds them up, juice comes out the bottom, and then all the junk goes out the side. You know, what's all the junk? All the junk is your fiber. Lack of fiber in your diet is the leading cause of 18 different cancers. Now, let me show you a better way. Let's start with grapes. Anytime you use grapes, use seeded grapes, because the seeds in the grapes have more protein and fiber in them pound for pound than chicken, steak, or fish. The problem is, if you eat seeded grapes, your body can't process those seeds, they go out as waste. So they have a little machine, it pulls the seeds out of the grapes, it smashes it down to the cellular level, and then they put it in a little vial about that big, they call it grapeseed extract, and they sell it for about 40 bucks at the health food store. Now, this is the only blender ever made on the planet that has a dull blade in it. It's not sharp at all. The reason is, we figured out through science and technology and research, if we could put a dull blade in there, and we could spin it over 320 miles an hour, we could smash everything in the jar all the way down to the cellular level. It's called micronization. It's a fancy word, but what does it mean? Everything you drink out of this jar, your body can absorb it right now. Okay, you never need to spend any energy breaking down your food. Have you ever had a big meal and then you feel really heavy afterwards? That's your body spending all that energy breaking down your food. It happens every time you eat. With this jar, you don't have that issue. You get all your nutrients right now. Plus, if you look at the blade on the jar, it's very unique. It's got little wing tips on it. If you take that blade and a square jar, it creates a vortex that pulls everything down inside. You never need to push anything into the blade. You don't need tools, anything like that. All other blenders have fan blades in them that are sharp, and they push everything up. So this blade will actually smash those seeded grapes all the way down to the cellular level so that your body can absorb all that protein and fiber. Anytime you use any kind of oranges, always leave the white part on, the pit. It has 3 times more juice than the vitamin C than the juice. Now, when you use a juicer, it squeezes all the juice out and it throws everything else away. You need all that fiber. Because like I said, lack of fiber in your diet is the leading cause of 18 different cancers. Anytime you have pineapple, you always leave the core in, the hard part of the pineapple. It's the best part of the pineapple for you. It has all the fiber in it. That blade will actually liquefy that core for you. Anytime you eat strawberries, always leave the top on it. That top has chlorophyll in it. Chlorophyll will kill yeast in your body, ends allergies, and it'll suppress your appetite for sweet and salty foods. So, if you want to lose weight, eat a lot of strawberries with the top on it in this machine. Also, that's one of nature's best cancer fighters.